In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can become a mentor on Facebook. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So guys, if you didn't already know, Facebook has now come out with a mentorship program, and you can go ahead and you can find a mentor or you can become a mentor on their platform. So I want to go ahead and show you how you can do that today. So first of all, what you need to do is obviously come over to Facebook and open up the app on your mobile or on your browser. And then once you've done that, what you need to do is go to the menu section on Facebook. So click on the three lines in the top right corner. And then once you've clicked on that, what you need to do is scroll down a little bit until you see more. Go ahead, click on the drop down arrow, and then scroll down a little bit until you see mentorship. And then once you've clicked on mentorship, you'll be presented with this page here, and if you want to become a mentor, you want to scroll down a little bit until you see sign up. You don't need to be an expert to support someone, make a difference with your unique experiences and skills. So if you're happy with that, go ahead, click on sign up. So what you need to do now is put in a little bit about you. So what field are you an expert in, or what can you help people with, and what experiences have you been through that that will benefit people if you are to become their mentor. So go ahead, write that in there. So once you've put in that and you've put in a little bit about yourself, it doesn't have to be about a specific industry or anything like that. It could just be, parenting skills, travel, stuff like that. And then what you need to do is go ahead and select your category. So click the drop down arrow and you can go in and put personal development, personal growth. And what you need to do, I'll just go ahead and put personal growth for this example. And so for topics, you've got marriage and relationships, grief, health and fitness, etc, etc. And you can also add a topic of your own if there isn't one listed there that does, match your industry. And then what you need to do is go ahead and select one. So I'll just click on marriage and relationships for this example. Click on save. And then what that will do is it will create your page. So go to your profile. And then this is the information that you have just gone ahead and put in. So what you can do now is be found by people who are searching for mentorship. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.